In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on developer mode in Discord. This quick setting unlocks useful options like copying unique IDs for servers, channels, users, and messages. Handy if you're building a bot, working with webhooks, submitting detailed bug reports, or collaborating with moderators and developers. Start by opening Discord and signing in. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. The steps are the same. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and everything has fully loaded. If the interface looks different than usual, a quick refresh or relaunch can help before you proceed. Next, look to the bottom left corner of Discord, right next to your username. Click the small gear icon to open user settings. This is your hub for personal preferences, audio and video controls, keybinds, appearance, and more. If you don't see the gear, collapse any open panels or maximize your window so the bottom bar is visible. Inside User Settings, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Find the section labeled App Settings. You may need to scroll a little depending on your window size. Click Advanced. This page gathers options that affect how Discord behaves behind the scenes, so it's a good idea to change only what you understand and leave unrelated settings as they are. Now, locate the developer mode option and toggle it on. The switch should highlight to indicate it's active. That's the essential change. Enabling developer mode doesn't alter your profile, your server visibility, or your privacy settings. It simply adds developer-focused tools to your menus. You can turn it off at any time by flipping the same switch back. With developer mode enabled, you'll notice new context menu items such as Copy ID when you right-click on a server name, a channel, a message, or a user. These IDs are long numeric identifiers that precisely reference each item, which is crucial when configuring bots, writing scripts, or sharing exact references with support teams. If you don't immediately see Copy ID, double-check that the toggle is on and consider restarting Discord so the interface refreshes. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the advanced section isn't visible, ensure your Discord app is up to date or try the web version as a quick check. If you're using Discord on a managed device or in a restricted environment, some settings might be controlled by an administrator. And remember, turning on developer mode is safe, reversible, and won't impact your day-to-day chatting. That's all you need to enable developer mode in Discord. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra tools at your fingertips.